Hello, welcome to my channel, AI Collection.
In the realm of motorcycles, the rumble of engines and the wind rushing against one's face is often associated with masculinity. However, there is a growing community of women who are breaking stereotypes and embracing the thrill of the open road on two wheels. These women aren't just passengers, they are passionate riders who find empowerment, freedom, and camaraderie in the world of motorcycles. In the end, the women who love motorcycles are a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. They ride not only for the thrill of the journey, but also to defy expectations, forge connections, and live life on their own terms. As they continue to carve their paths on the open road, they serve as beacons of inspiration for all who dare to follow their dreams, regardless of gender.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.